it's me, John. So I'm doing an unboxing of my new Ryobi 10-inch drill press. It's model number DP103L. I believe the original one, or the model before this, was the DP102L. So I got it at Home Depot using my Harbor Freight 20% off coupon. I got it for $103 and change, regularly $129. So inside here you have the base, basically, with the collar, which attaches to the shaft, the main shaft of the drill. Then we have, this feels like probably a couple of bolts and screws, and the handle is probably definitely feels like it this big. Directions, which are nice. The base, tabletop base. The main shaft with the elevator, I like to call it. Then we also have the main part. The whole unit's attached together with the motor, which is easy to help it easy to put together. I mean, to make it easier to put together. The whole unit is attached with the motor and the drive shaft and everything all together, one big piece. And I'm going to put the phone down and take that out, so bear with me a moment. Alright, so I got the monster out of the box. And looks like it's okay. Okay, inside here is the belt, pulleys. Typical, you know, drill press engineering. So now I'm going to take a look at the instructions how to put this thing together. Looks like they want us to assemble the column first, the column assembly. And pretty detailed instructions, can't be that hard. They recommend you use a adjustable wrench, a mallet, which I have, a Phelps head. Column assembly is now attached to the base with these hex bolts, 3 of them. Took about 2 minutes. And now they want me to assemble the worm gear and the table lock handle, so you can see here. Alright, so let's get that on. Worm gear in, which is this gear in here. I don't know if you can see it. See it in there? See, there's like a gear in here. As I turn it, it's greased already. And this little bar here. The table lock shaft. Now they want me to take this off. There's an Allen key that comes with it. There's a little hole in here. Right here, there's a hole. See it? Take that out, and then this comes out, and then you insert it in here. So let me do that. What you do here is you remove this part, you pull it out, and then insert it. Just like I have like an inch or two, so the teeth are matching up with the teeth inside this worm gear inside here, and then slide everything over here downward, then into here, and then when you turn the table, it allows you to. You gotta oil this up. This will slide along. See how it slides when you Give it a little push. And then up here the other collar sits above here with the Allen screw, which I'm going to put back on now. What I'd recommend is when you put this collar back down, don't push it down forcefully, just kind of tighten the Allen key screw here snug, and then spin this around like 180 degrees, and you'll see this kind of wobble. Then tighten up a little more, and then do it again, and then tighten it up fully. That way, you know, because this, if you mount this the wrong way, it won't be, you know, level. So when you turn, it might get stuck here or stuck over there. So if you go about 180 degrees while tightening this, like a half a turn or a quarter of a turn each time, it swivels nicely now, see? Head assembly to the column assembly here. So I'm going to do that. Then over here, I don't know why they want me to beat the hell out of it with a mallet and a piece of wood. Maybe to make sure that the chuck is on right. Well, I whacked the chuck with my mallet and a piece of wood. I kind of stuck my finger up there before and after, and I really didn't notice any difference, really. So I guess it's just a precautionary thing, I don't know. So now I gotta put the handles on over here. Right, the rest of the instructions just kind of give you ideas on how to use things. I guess how to adjust the laser light. I got the handles on, the feed handle right there. I plugged it in, so now the moment of truth. There's the laser light, it's working. I'll check it later on for accuracy. And the illuminating light, which is very nice. That was a big issue some people had because it used to be inside the housing, not exposed outside like this. Nice, bright, very bright. So you'll be able to see where you're going to end up, and also what is your drilling through. Includes the unboxing and assembly of the Ryobi 10-inch drill press.